We use Celtra products in this office doing our restorative cases. We were discussing with the lab a certain case where we might need some extra strength or some better aesthetics with the case. And they recommended this material. Hey, this material could work really, really well for this case.
When we introduced the product to Dr. Beal, we got on the phone and the product has better potential as far as strength for his application. And he said, sure, whatever you recommend. I mean, we have that kind of relationship with a lot of our accounts where they rely on us.
This material is very easy to work with. There's no really changes you need to do in your process as far as prep work. It's really just straightforward.
To integrate both materials in the daily workflow at Drake Lab, it was easy because we are already familiar with both systems, with the pressable ceramics and with the milling ceramics. So on a daily basis, it was easy transition because material is very friendly.
With a new product like Celtra, it's easier for a lower skilled technician to be able to manufacture something that is so lifelike. And you get it in the hands of an experienced technician, and it becomes even simpler because they can add their years of experience and knowledge to a product that is already at a higher base level of aesthetics and just blow it out of the water.
The two best things I see from this material is the aesthetics and the strength of the material. It just holds up really, really well, and patients are really, really pleased with how it looks.
Celtra came in with the promise of high aesthetics and compression strengths. And that worked out very well. So we're able to trade off some of our zirconia requests to a Celtra product because of its strength. When I meet colleagues at trade shows, and I have done this in the past with new materials, and I say the same thing as my colleague in Toronto, transferred to me. It says, this product is good, it's promising, it does what it's marketed to do, and it fits into what you're doing already. It's another tool that we can use in what we need to provide with our clients.